Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Priyanka, faculty of Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Children, welcome to our English class. As you know, we have done Unit 2, Poem 2, Bird Talk in previous lecture. In today's lecture, we will do notebook work. Before starting the notebook work, let's recite the poem again. Come, bird, talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Poet Alan Fisher. Now, let's come to the notebook work. Take out your notebook, open fresh page. Write down date on the left side. Write heading on the first line, Unit 2. Second line, Poem 2. Name of the poem, Bird Talk on the third line. Now on fourth line, write poet name Alan Fisher on the right side. Now children, let's start with the difficult words. Write down the heading, difficult words. Number A, beetles. Number B, wires. Number C, funny. Number D, feathers. Number E, garden. Children, you have to write difficult words 3 times. Make sure after writing difficult words, draw finishing line with the scale. Clear? Now, let's come to word meaning. Use a scale to divide words in one side and meaning in other side. Number 1, grow, meaning to increase in size or amount. Number 2, funny, meaning causing laughter. Number 3, beetles, an insect with a hard shell. Number 4, feathers, meaning many soft light things that cover a bird's body. Clear? After finishing the word meaning, make a line with the scale. Now, let's come to the question answers. Write down heading, answer the following questions. Leave a line, write question number 1. Name the 2 birds in the poem. Answer. The 2 birds in the poem are robin and jay. Question 2. What are the 3 things that people can't do? Answer. The people can't grow wings, eat beetles or sit on wires. Question number 3. Where were robin and jay sitting? Answer. Robin and jay were sitting in the garden. Question 4. What do birds think of people? Answer. Birds think people are very funny. Clear children? There are 4 question answers. You have to write it in your notebook. Make sure leave one line and then write and draw a finishing line after each and every question answer. Clear? Now, let's come to the rhyming words. Find the words in the poem which rhyme with A. J. Rhyming word of J is day. Grow. Rhyming word of grow is no. C. Wings. Rhyming word of wings is things. Clear? Now, next children, next is activity which you have to do it yourself. I'll tell you step by step how to do it. You have to make a finger puppet. Step 1. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. Step 2. Take a strip of cloth or paper. Step 3. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Step 4. Tie the two ends of the strip. Step 5. Fix it on your fingers. Step 6. Your finger puppet is ready. Clear, children? I hope you all have understood. Now, homework time. Your homework is read poem 2, learn difficult words, word meaning and question answers. And you have to note down the given work in notebook. Everything which I have given you, you have to note down in your notebook. Dear parents, kindly help your ward to write this work in the notebook, as you are the common medium between us and our dear students. Thank you. Bye bye.